From all of us here at Camaraderie Health Agency, we want to wish your family a truly happy and healthy Thanksgiving. It's such a special time for gratitude, connection, and making memories that'll last a lifetime. So, to help make your celebration extra special, we've put together 5 of our favorite fun and healthy activities the whole family can enjoy. Ready? Let's get to it. First on the list, an activity that gets everyone moving and energized for the day. The family turkey trot. Many towns have official races, but you can easily create your own. Don't worry, it's not about speed. It's all about starting the day with some fresh air and good fun. You can walk, jog, or get a little silly with it. Make up fun challenges, like skipping to the next mailbox or seeing who can find the most colorful autumn leaf. It's a fantastic way to get some light exercise before the big meal and sets a positive tone for the day. It's genuinely perfect for everyone, from toddlers to grandparents. Activity number 2, the gratitude tree. Next up, let's get to the real heart of Thanksgiving, gratitude. And a really beautiful, visual way to share that gratitude is by creating a gratitude tree. This is a simple craft that makes a big impact. Just find a few branches from the yard and pop them in a vase. Then, cut out some leaves from construction paper. Just have everyone write down something they're thankful for on a paper leaf and hang it on the branches throughout the day. By dinner time, you'll have this amazing centerpiece that's a living reminder of all the good things in your lives. Reading them aloud together is a powerful way to reflect, and it can easily become a cherished family tradition. Activity number 3, kitchen camaraderie. Activity number 3 brings us to the heart of every Thanksgiving home, the kitchen. But instead of letting 1 or 2 people get stuck with all the work, why not turn meal prep into a family affair? Cooking together is an amazing way to bond and pass down skills. Little kids can help with simple tasks like washing veggies or stirring, while older kids can tackle chopping or even compete in a friendly bake-off for the best dessert. You could even make it a health challenge by trying to create a healthier version of a classic dish. It doesn't just lighten the load for the host, it fills the kitchen with laughter and teamwork. And that's what camaraderie is all about, right? All of these ideas are really about strengthening family bonds and building healthy habits, which is exactly what we're all about here at Camaraderie Health Agency. If you're finding these tips helpful and want more ideas for family wellness, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you to be a part of our community. Activity number 4, the post-feast stroll. After that delicious meal, it's so easy to get sleepy and melt into the couch. But our 4th activity is the perfect antidote to that sleepy feeling, a gentle, post-feast family stroll. This isn't some intense workout. It's just a simple tradition that helps with digestion and gives you a chance to connect without the distractions of the dinner table. Stroll through your neighborhood or a local park and just enjoy that crisp autumn air. It's a great opportunity for conversation. To keep the kids engaged, you could even turn it into a nature scavenger hunt. It's a simple, calming ritual that helps everyone feel a little more refreshed. Activity number 5, Thanksgiving game night. And finally, let's cap off the night with a little friendly competition. Instead of everyone zoning out in front of the TV, why not host a Thanksgiving game night? Games like Thanksgiving-themed charades or Pictionary are always a huge hit for all ages. Just prep a list of holiday prompts beforehand. Think carving the turkey, watching the parade, or my personal favorite, falling asleep on the couch. You can play in teams, and the energy and laughter are practically guaranteed. It's an awesome activity where everyone, from the youngest to the oldest, can join in and have a blast. And there you have it. 5 simple activities to make your Thanksgiving more active, connected, and joyful. From a morning turkey trot to an evening full of games, the goal is simply to celebrate being together. All of us at Camaraderie Health Agency are so grateful for this community. We wish you and your loved ones a truly wonderful Thanksgiving. What are your family's favorite traditions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to read them. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.